Alright, this is going to be our first stop at this big old pile of wood over here, see what we can get. And this is just the entrance to the 300 acres right here. So I'm going to pull over and set up my camera and probably start with that cherry right there. Alright, let me explain what I'm doing. I'm going to cut this right here, but I want to get to that big log, which I think is a base of a cherry tree. Looks like it's got some good spalting on it, or good compression quilting on it. So I'm going to get that so I can plank that out into boards. So I'm going to cut this one. Now I'm doing all this and trying to watch out for copperheads that are, they love piles like this, so. I'm gonna cut a piece of this and see what it looks like. Yep, that is cherry. Definitely cherry. This is the same piece as that. So, I'm going to I'll plank this sucker out. It's got some cracking on the outside though. Not as much as this one on that one. The reason they left it here, it is pretty far gone, really punky. So I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna do this one here. All right, so I have this on this, and it's fairly level, good enough for government work. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my Alaskan chainsaw mill together. We're going to mill a couple of boards out of this and see how it looks. So I'll see you in a few minutes after I get this Alaskan chainsaw mill done up. Okay, this cut right here took 11 minutes and 45 seconds to do, with me having to go to the truck and look for mask and everything. I think my chain's a little bit dull for doing this. And I'm also starting to think this looks like cherry, but it's got some whiteness down here that looks kind of like spalted oak. So this may be red oak. I don't know. I suck at identifying wood, but I'm gonna have to say it's cherry for now until I get it home. So let's go ahead and get going. I'm gonna redo my Alaskan chainsaw mill. We'll use this for a bench top, or I'll cut it into blanks for turning bowls. All right, let's get back to it. It's to the industrial park, and I'm messing with all this wood right here right now. I'm going to finish planking out that log right there. You see my camera set up. My Alaskan chainsaw mill's right there. And this is what I've got to go down into. Way down here is where all the wood is. So I'm going to go down there. All right, peace! Got some stuff right in the middle. All right, put this one on the trailer. All right, so that's one piece. That's a lot of work. I need to change the chain on my chainsaw. So this sucks. I got to take it all apart to get to the chain, but I got to let it cool down first. But I might cut up some blanks, or turning blanks before I do that with this older chain. All right, let's do some more work. That's what it looks like. All right, so I got 4 slabs plus 2 of the cut-off pieces that I'm gonna, I don't know, I might use them for a bench. I've decided I might turn them into bowls. That oak is good bowls. All right, we're gonna move down a little bit and see if I can find some other pieces for turning. I'm done. I'll meet you back at the house because I got to get out of here. I'm tired. No, really, I'll meet you over there.